it's me again. What am I doing? What am I doing? Yeah, I'm lubricating my, what do you call it? My metal bender, because I cleaned up all these parts and they're starting to rust. And it's not heated in here. Plus, I got a 8 billion watt light above me, so I look like I'm, what do you call it? I look like I'm the Michelin man with a completely bright head. So I'm going to move the camera and I'm going to show you what I'm doing, because it's more fun that way, right? You can see what I'm doing. It does help. So stay tuned and watch what I'm doing. Hello, folks. It's me again. Basically, I have a huge metal bender here. It's not really huge in size. It's a 24-inch diacro sheet metal bender, and you can still buy these brand new. This one's a used one because I can't afford $5 grand. Come on, freaking thing. Shit. Come on. Get over there. And if I get this magnet off here. Ugh. Holy Christ. Fucking magnet. Of course. Turn this way. There we go. So anyway, put the magnet down. Here we go. Losing a finger. Ouch. That hurt. I'll put it on this way. There we go. Then what am I doing? I'll show you what I'm doing. Let me get a pair of gloves here. I am lubricating the, what do you call it? The fingers on the finger brake. Why did I buy a finger brake? Because if you're going to take a brake, you must use a finger brake, right? I don't know, I just like old tools. And I figured it's got a 24-inch wide thing. If I want to do some small, my plan is to make boxes, and it isn't exactly turning out great, but here's my plan. What am I using? I'm using CRC multi-purpose lubricant and corrosion inhibitor, because I don't want this thing to corrode. It might take 400 years to corrode. Yeah, I dropped my rag down here. I have my one and only lone dedicated wrench for this. And if you watch me here, you'll see I probably should use a socket. And what do you call it? Here, I'll do this one first. Basically, I'm taking this little piece here off. These are the fingers, by the way. In case you don't know, these are fingers. I'm just gonna try not to spray myself in the eyes here. And I'm just gonna rub it all over to make it nice and shiny. Just so it stays lubricated. And this one, that over there. Yeah, I'll do this too. When I got these, the fingers looked terrible. The guy had it in a shed outside. No, he had it in a carport in his backyard. I was like, who in the right mind keeps a 350-pound bender in the back of your frickin'... So anyway, what I'm doing is just rubbing everything with lubrication. This bar comes off. What I'll do is I'll start from this one. I was gonna start with the other one. I'll do a few and I'll show you the end result. I mean, there's not really an end result. It's just, this is what it is, and they come off. Take the bolt out. And if you've never seen one of these benders, for a while, there's a lot of tools I'd never seen before until I start becoming a tool junkie. Yeah, tool junkie. You see, rub it all here. There we go. A little bit too much on there. Just want to get it. So, the way you put these back in is first you lubricate it, right? Get it all nice and juicy. The bolt nice and juicy. You put this. See, this is the end. If I don't lose the damn bolt. There we go. Anyway, this is the end one. Right here, see? It's the very end of the brake. So then what you do is you just go in here like so. You just screw them in lightly. And you basically just, it just catches on there. And what the finger, what this little thing does is, if I get in there and show you, it goes, there's a little notch in the inside here, and it goes up in there, and then this holds it down. The little notch holds it in, and this clamps it on the top. And then you take this thing here and just go crazy. I am eventually going to take this bender apart. As soon as I get a shop crane of some sort, I would like to buy an overhead, what do you call it, gantry crane, because this thing is freaking heavy. It's not on wheels, and it is going to cause me pain and suffering if I don't do this properly. So put it on here like so. I don't know if you can see this. And believe it or not, these are the original, what do you call it, fingers to this machine. When I first got them, they all looked like this. Rusty, you couldn't read the name on it. And believe it or not, they actually still have the size on everything. So that one's nice and tight. If we loosen up this one, see, they just come out. This one says DI-ACRO, 6 inches. So what I'll do this time, I'll do it smart and put a little bit of lubricant on here. It has a weird smell, actually. It's not a... There we go. Just spray it on there. Just rub it all over. Wherever it's dry, just... But you can see the big... I polished all of them. Now it's getting a few rust spots here and there, but nothing lives forever, I guess. So this, you can put them in any particular order you want. They don't have to be, there's basically 24 inches worth of these things, and they just kind of warp in there. So put that one next to each other, and bada boom. This one's crooked. So basically, if you don't straighten the first one, they all end up crooked. So basically, go like that. And this one right here. Put them in there nice and tight. There you go. And it does go up and down, see? You can see what I'm doing. And once you get them all in there, it's just a matter of adjusting. If you want to do just a 6-inch bend, you just take them all out, or you just take whatever you're not using out and just do a 6-inch bend. But I guess you could, yeah, you could hold it from the back side too. See, once they just fit in there, it holds it up. So yeah, we'll do this one here, and I'll just work my way across. Not too many. So far I'm lucky. Not too many things rust in here that bad. Even though it does get cold, like it's freezing out. It's minus whatever the hell it is outside. But I noticed, for me, it's what do you call it? It doesn't. It's not a huge problem, mind you. I've got a lot of rusty stuff in here, but a lot of the stuff I have that's rusty, it already is rusty. Since I don't turn the heat on, it doesn't. A lot of things in here don't condensate, I guess. That's what I'm trying to say. And I wish I could afford to put the heat on all year, but if I get a wood stove. But I don't want everything to condensate. So here, see, that one's done. We'll just do this one next here. So just pop it off, and there you go. See, these ones, look, see, that one's rusting. I'll go and clean them off again another day. And the CRC stuff is amazing. Like it's unbelievable. I was watching, I don't know if it's Keith Rucker or another dude, and he said he left his part of his shop, I think, outside. I forget what is it, antique. Anyways, a channel on YouTube. He sprays his whole trailer with this stuff, and it's amazing. Like the only one spot where he forgot to spray got rusty, or it was the marine lube, one of them. But it was really cool. So anyway, put this right there. I'll move the camera so you can see what I'm doing. Oop. Come on, up there, ups it easy. You just slide in like that. So there, pretty much just gonna lube them all. So anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends. What's this? This is the DI-ACRO finger brake, one of the fingers for my metal bender. Is it recording? I don't know. It's a DI-ACRO 3-inch. Put this down here. I'll lose it. Ouch. What the hell was that? Just stabbed me. Ow. Something stabby on there. Ow, what the hell? Yeah, there's a swirly fluid in there. Put that in there. Okay. Oh, wait. Come on. Come on. Get it. Damn thing. Get up there. There we go. There we go. In the hole. In there. There we go. Now that's in the hole. Tighten the hole. They're all nice and lined up. This is the longer one. This is the short one. See? Short. Loosen them up a little bit more than usual. Rub it all down in oil. Nice and juicy. I just don't want it to rust. Oh, there we go. This back up here. Got this. Back on there. Alright, turn it off now. Well, this is the finished, what I did. I used some CRC on here, and I just lubed all these fingers up here. So, yeah, that's what I did.